Welcome to the Nourishment Hut. Before we start, we need to make something clear. The content provided on the Nourishment Hut YouTube channel is intended for informational and educational purposes only. The information presented is not a substitute for professional medical advice, nutritional advice, fitness advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. The Nourishment Hut encourages you to use the information provided as a starting point for your research and discussions with healthcare professionals. Remember that individual health needs may vary, and personalized guidance from a qualified medical expert is essential for making informed decisions about your health and well-being. By accessing and using the content on the Nourishment Hut YouTube channel, you acknowledge and agree to the terms of this medical disclaimer. Now, let's dive into the golden world of turmeric. Ever wonder why turmeric is a staple in many cuisines around the world? This vibrant golden spice is not just for color and flavor, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. We'll delve into 3 delicious recipes that harness the magic of turmeric. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of this golden spice through 3 healthy recipes. First off, let's start with a simple and soothing turmeric tea. Begin by boiling water and then stirring in a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the turmeric to fully infuse. Strain the tea into a cup, add a dash of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption, and sweeten with honey to taste. This golden brew not only warms the senses but also boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Enjoy this warm cup of goodness anytime you need a health boost. Up next, a refreshing turmeric smoothie that's perfect for those hot summer days. Imagine blending a handful of nutritious ingredients like ripe bananas, fresh pineapples, a hint of ginger, a dash of turmeric, and a splash of coconut milk. This vibrant concoction aids digestion, thanks to the fiber from the fruits, and provides a powerful dose of antioxidants from the turmeric. The result? A creamy, delicious smoothie with an appealing golden hue. This smoothie isn't just tasty, it's also bursting with health benefits. Finally, let's spice up dinner time with some turmeric roasted vegetables. Begin by marinating your favorite mix of vegetables in a delightful blend of olive oil and turmeric. As they roast, the turmeric enhances the natural flavors, creating a dish that's not only high in fiber, but also rich in vitamins. The warming, earthy tones of turmeric complement the vegetables beautifully, making this a dish that's as pleasing to the palate as it is beneficial to your health. With these veggies, dinner will never be the same again. There you have it, 3 delicious ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. We've brewed a warming tea, blended a vibrant smoothie, and roasted veggies with a golden touch, all bursting with turmeric's health benefits. Remember, a little turmeric can add a lot of health benefits, so why not give these recipes a try? Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos with family and friends. Have a fab day.